Your satellite is precious, gorgeous, and your satellite will be syncing content often from the internet. But how often? The guy responsible for this is sync plan. So sync plan is the way that you go over there and you say, hey, I would like to sync this specific product daily, hourly, weekly, bi-weekly, whatever. How often is up to you, but today I'm gonna give some advice and show how this works. So let's go to the video. We have here a satellite. Whenever you go to your satellite, import the manifest and enable the repositories, there is no sync yet and there is no sync plan. By default, there is no sync plan. I have a video talking about the complete or the minimum implementation after you install the satellite. I'm gonna leave in the end of this video, but let's take a look on this. I have here content on the left menu and sync plan. So as you can see, there is no sync plan, which means my satellite will not be syncing. I have my repositories are enabled. If I sync those contents manually, that's okay. I have the content, but satellite will not be syncing them daily or hourly or weekly or whatever. That content will be just there, sitting there, old as in the first date or first moment that was synced. That's it. And okay, how can I create my sync plan? Just hit the button, create sync plan. I like to put here Red Hat. This will be syncing everything from Red Hat. I like to put daily, and I like to put 3 a.m. This is something nice. And why daily? Keep this in mind. Satellite will be syncing content from the CDN daily, okay? In your environment, probably you are using lifecycle environments, content views, composite content views. So you don't care too much about what is the library, the for organization view. You care about what is in your content views, in that specific version that you created, that you tested, that is supported in your environment. So it is not a big deal for you if your satellite is syncing daily. It will be a big deal whenever you are going to publish and promote a new version of your satellite. So why expect that maintenance window just to sync your satellite if your satellite can be syncing daily? And eventually this can also create as a side effect a feature in your satellite that will tell you, hey, I can see that you have no issue at this moment about errata, talking about errata, but I can see that there is one errata that is not installable. It is not in your content view, but is applicable for your content host. So keep this in mind. This is gorgeous. I have another video here talking about applicable and installable. I'm gonna keep on the card, but yeah, definitely this is a good practice. So we have this daily. At this moment, there is no product. So I can click on products over here, and then you can see there is no product. I can click on add, and I can see 3 products: custom, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 464, and Zabbix. On this one, the first one, I have 1 repository. On the second one, let me move this a little bit. On the second one, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, I have 16 repositories, and on Zabbix, I have 3. Very common question. Can I create a sync plan just for 1 repository? No, the sync plan is for products. Whenever you enable that product, all the repositories under that product will be synced. That's it, and this is by design. So, okay, this is my Red Hat. I can click over here, add selected, and that's it. I have now my sync plan that is scheduled to run daily every 3 a.m. in the morning, starting today. And then this is the recurring logic that will be keeping this running all the time or every day. This is pretty good. Hey Wally, can I put all the other stuff together? Definitely yes, you can. But in this case, this should be something like my sync plan. And then, okay, now this is not a thing anymore for Red Hat specifically. This can be for all of your custom repositories. And that's okay as well. Can I be syncing this one daily? My third party. Again, the main point of the syncing is to keep your satellite up to date related to this package, syncing the latest version of the package. but I'm pretty confident that you are using content views, composite content views, eventually filters. So this sync is not gonna interfere in the package that your content hosts are seeing right now, but they will interfere whenever you're going to publish and promote a new version of your content view. Don't forget to subscribe, allow notification. Feel free to join us in our Discord channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.